Good afternoon, students. Welcome back in IT class. We are studying chapter 5th Objects in LibreOffice Writer. In last class, we have done notebook exercise. Hope your notebook exercise will be completed. So today we will do some question answers and you have to write these question answers in IT notebook. Answer the following questions. Question first is, what is the use of font work feature? Answer is, we use font work feature to make the text appear attractive and eye-catching. We can create special text effects giving our text a unique look. If we want to give a unique look to our document, then we will use font work feature and we will use text effects, special text effects in our document. If we want to make our text look attractive, so for this we will use font work feature. Question second is, what is a gallery in LibreOffice? Answer is, writer has a collection of images that can be easily added to a document. This collection is called a gallery. LibreOffice राइटर के पास एक ऐसा इमेजेस का कलेक्शन है जिसे हम अपने डॉक्यूमेंट में ईजिली एडिट कर सकते हैं if we want to add any image. So this is called gallery. Question third is, how can we add shapes in a writer document? Answer is, first of all we will click on the insert menu. From the insert menu we will click on the shape option. The shape menu appears. From the shape menu we will click on that shape whatever we want to use. Like we have a lot of options like line, basic, arrow, symbol, star, flowchart. If we want to draw any line, then we will select line. If we want to draw any arrow, then we will select arrow shape. If we want to draw any symbol, then we will select symbol. So we will click on that shape whatever we want to use. Question fourth is, how can we add images in our document? So answer is, place the cursor where we want to add the image. जहाँ भी हमें ऐड करनी है अपनी इमेज वहाँ हम माउस के कर्सर को लेके जाएंगे and then we will click on the insert menu and then we will select image option and then we will select require the image. Whatever we want to use, जो भी इमेज हम यूज़ करना चाहते हैं, जो भी हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट है, we will select that image and then we will click on the open button. The picture is added in our document. Question fifth is, what is the use of the special character option in LibreOffice Writer? Answer is, we use special character option to add some special characters like rupee or pound symbols that are not available on the keyboard. Some symbols that are not available on the keyboard, so if we want that symbol then we will use special character option. Okay, so our chapter 5th is completed now. You have to write these question answers in IT notebook. Please do neat and clean work in this. If you have any query, any doubt, then you can ask me without hesitation. Thank you.